Kawasaki Robotics has always embraced technology partnerships, from our beginnings in the late 60s with our partnership with Unimate. Fast forward to today, Kawasaki Robots use an open architecture platform with API plugins like KRNX, which allows real-time control of Kawasaki robots. Realtime Robotics has developed a very exciting software called Rapid Plan, which enables motion planning and collision avoidance with the push of a button. For example, robot programming that would take days now takes hours, and you get instant sharing of tasks between robots without reprogramming.
Working on this project, everyone at Kawasaki Robotics has been extremely helpful and eager to share their knowledge. Building out the cell in simulation, and then going from that to real worlds and watching the robots move so close and so fast together is super exciting.
Kawasaki's advanced robot designs that feature through-arm technology have always minimized the robot programming task. Combining Kawasaki robots and real-time robotics is a game changer. This partnership will provide manufacturers in any industry tremendous flexibility. The sky is the limit. This is the future of automation.